The newly elected president of South Korea has a far more bullish stance on cryptocurrency, and with this, the South Korean blockchain icon, coin symbol ICX, has experienced some tremendous upside here as well. There's lots going on here in the crypto sphere. Continued, bullish adoption, in my opinion, for the, crypto sector, whether it be, multi-billion-dollar conglomerates in the economy or governing bodies. Be sure to stick around till the end to not miss any of what's going on. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you every day. Now, we've been following Cardano here for a while. EngineeringRobo members already know, recapping EngineeringRobo. We doubled our money trading Cardano between July and September of 2021. We experienced 141% in upside, and with bearish Robo advisors, we were able to capitalize on 77% ROI trading Cardano with EngineeringRobo. As we can see, ever since that combination of sell suggestions here, Cardano has been in a crippling downtrend from this, sell for and bearish cross combination of robo advisors suggesting downside. Cardano has proceeded to experience 66% in downside here, losing well over half of your investment holding onto Cardano with these bearish robo advisors in play. So a bit of a critical situation here, it would appear, as we are running out of support levels. We've been, plowing to and through these horizontal levels here. At the moment, 84 cents was maybe our last hope here for support, because in my opinion, based on my personal strategy, the next strongest level of support for Cardano isn't until 34 cents. We may experience some bounces along the way. However, the strongest level of support based on my strategy is not going to be until that 34-cent level, but we always go with the flow of the confirmations here. So with Cardano, moving forward, if you want to invest in the project, we need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish here to put 50% of our investment into the coin. We can see the buy for along the way down. However, we are not buying at that level because we would need a second robo advisor suggesting upside, similar to the combination of robos present throughout the end of July here. We have the supercell showing as well, plaguing this downside, suggesting that we are still looking for support down below. We have this descending trend line as well. Once daily candles are opening and closing above that descending trend line, we can put 30% of our investment into the project. And finally, that remaining 20% of our money can go into Cardano at support. And sadly, as I mentioned, 34 cents here may be the strongest area of support for us. And that is where I do anticipate continued interaction toward, as long as bearish robo advisors are present. This 84-cent level is going to be rather crucial here for us. Say we have daily candles opening and closing back above it. That would, add to support found at that level, but I would need further confirmations to begin accumulation at this level. $1.05 is a similar level as well that I would need further interaction with to determine its significance. $1.31 is going to be a much stronger level of support once we have daily candles opening and closing above it. Currently, it is resistance. So that 20% at support can either be at 34 cents down below or at $1.31 above, whichever one comes first. 20% at support, 30% when we open and close above the descending trend line, and 50% when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish. We always go with the flow of the market and watch out for EngineeringRobo, but let me know down below your thoughts on Cardano. So the crypto-friendly candidate has claimed victory in the South Korean presidential election, with the token used to mint his signature as an NFT surging 60%. They're referring to coin symbol ICX, which we will cover shortly here. Cryptocurrency played a leading role in South Korea's election debate, with both candidates releasing campaign-related NFTs. Their crypto-sympathetic stances were opposite to former president of South Korea, who had a crackdown on crypto exchanges last year. The newly elected South Korean president promised to deregulate the South Korean crypto industry, establishing his forward-thinking stance on digital assets. With a quote reading, "To realize the unlimited potential of the virtual asset market, we must overhaul regulations that are far from reality and unreasonable." So in my opinion, very bullish news here. It would appear we have a much more, crypto-friendly stance on Bitcoin from governing bodies. A new generation is among us, and a new economy may be forming here. It would appear. Cryptocurrency is gaining popularity with young South Koreans. According to reports from local news outlets, young people have been leaving their jobs to pursue day trading cryptocurrencies. South Korea's traditional stock market, by contrast, is dominated by four family-owned conglomerates known as chaebols. My apologies on that pronunciation, which many believe to be corrupt and politically influential. Before the major crackdown on crypto exchanges in September of last year, trading volumes on South Korea's top exchanges were exceeding those of the stock market. So you heard it here first, folks. The younger generation clearly has, far more interest in the crypto sphere here, it would appear. Lots is changing in today's economy. A brand new generation is forming, and I believe we are about to be out with the old and in with the new, as as mentioned, the interest in cryptocurrency has just been ever so increasing and expanding among, institutional presence here and the entities in the traditional economy and world of finance, while, mainstream and retail investors have been, fearful on the direction of Bitcoin and crypto. We can see many different, major entities here, multi-billion-dollar entities in the traditional economy, governing bodies, accumulating Bitcoin directly or getting involved with blockchain technology one way or another. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. This is yet another factor contributing to why I find it very difficult to be bearish on the space. But let me know down below your thoughts on crypto. Lastly, here it is mentioned that the native token from South Korean Icon blockchain, coin symbol ICX, has surged over 60% following this announcement. We're going to check out technically what's going on with that. So some bullish news in South Korea regarding this project here. However, we are close to some resistance. Under the influence of bullish robo advisors, however, we do anticipate continued gains here. Recapping EngineeringRobo, we have this coin under the influence of the same three robo advisors we used to trade Cardano, utilizing the buy for and golden cross throughout the beginning of August of 2021. Your investment experienced 166% in upside over the following 105 days. So, well over double and a half your money in 3 months. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, utilizing this bearish combination of robo advisors here, we have the sell for and death cross, suggesting you close your position, capitalizing on 71% ROI, utilizing bullish and bearish robo advisors. And as you can see, since that combination of sell suggestions here, it would appear coin symbol ICX has proceeded to experience a dramatic 69 percent in downside toward my support level. So you were saved from losing well over half of your investment if you chose to take profits. You can see along the way we have that buy for during this downtrend. We are not accumulating at that level because we need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish, which has been met here on the 9th of March. So lots going on here at the moment. Currently, we are coming off of a very bullish interaction with my support level, 62 cents here. We actually already invested 20% of our investment in at that level. We are awaiting to put 30% of our investment into the project when daily candles open and close above this descending trend line. If a relatively significant amount of upside occurred within that singular daily candle, we are slightly hesitant to accumulate at that level with prices below the close of the March 9th daily candle. This would be a far more bullish level to put that 50% of your investment into the project. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Once invested into the project, look out for resistance overhead. Currently giving us a hard time. Overhead is 94 cents. We need daily candles opening and closing above that to confirm that level as support. If you missed out on 62 cents, you can put your 20% support-based investment at 94 cents once it is confirmed as support. We also have $1.72 in addition to $2.61. Feel free to claim some profits at that level. However, we always remain 50% invested until bearish robo advisors suggest otherwise. But let me know down below your thoughts on this coin though. Alrighty, running out of time here. We have Bitcoin, crypto, the currency. As we all know, you capitalized on upside trading Bitcoin with EngineeringRobo, and you were saved from the dramatic downside. This, 40, 50, 60 plus percent correction that we have experienced over the following months here. You were saved from that downside if you chose to take profit near the $56,000 level. And over the last couple of months here, we've been, establishing what could be a very nice bottom at my support level. $34,655 per Bitcoin has been the strongest level of support we've been anticipating interaction with ever since bearish robo advisors in November. All these instances where Bitcoin attempted to find its bottom, we were not phased by these situations because bearish robo advisors were in play, and we were awaiting for interaction with my support level. Moving forward, we already put 20% of our investment in at my support level here. Currently waiting for daily candles to open and close back above this descending trend line. And with all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish here, we already have that 50% of our investment invested, and we are awaiting for continued upside. We're always watching out for EngineeringRobo though, so in any sort of abrupt changes in momentum, we will reduce our position accordingly and await the return of bullish parameters. So in my personal opinion, based on the price action we've been having, it would not be impossible for us to revisit my support level near $34,655. A third interaction with that level would not be impossible, and a bullish interaction with that level would certainly solidify the bottom at this range. So we are just patiently waiting for the confirmations, but in my opinion, $171,000 per Bitcoin is a level I do anticipate interaction with before any sort of market top is to be discussed. We are far too close to the fear zone here. In addition to generic support levels near this range, heavy accumulation has occurred between $30,000 and $40,000. I do believe you want to be accumulating during extreme times of fear here in the market, and you want to be heavily considering taking profit when FOMO is present and the market is euphoric. Someone has to buy the top, hopefully not you, because you've been accumulating through the lows, following EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions, and profiting off of the uncertainty here in the market. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Obviously, we go with the flow of the confirmations. We minimize downside and capitalize on upside. In my personal opinion, which does not matter whatsoever, I find it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency currently. But let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know a coin in the comment section you'd like to see in the next video. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.